What's up, everyone? Today we're going to the Zhongshan Park and go to the Pussy House. Do you want to see? Okay, let's go.
What? Oh shit, look. There's a kite stuck in a tree. So this is to stop the floor from getting dirty, right? Okay, let's have a look.
So can you take your thing?
Look at all these decorations, look. Damn. Oh shit.
Your ear is fall down.
Where?
It's on your shoulder.
Shit. Fuck you.
I will be the camera photogrammer, okay? Let's go to the top.
I'm just gonna wear these later. These decorations are everywhere. Fuck.
Can you far from me?
Huh?
I need to take you photo.
Look at all this. So is this new?
Yeah. Let's give it.
Oh.
This is for the cat.
Shiny floor.
Cat, yeah.
Huh.
I want to feel that here.
So what is this supposed to be? What is it supposed to be when you are a cat?
Just cat love this light. You know it.
So shiny, fuck.
Take photo of me.
So we're supposed to be small cats in like a big box.
Yeah, we have a small cat. Give
Damn.
me.
This is so different. I've never seen this before.
Yeah.
Are you ready, Balbe? This is how we take photos. 3, 2, 1. No showing of butt. No showing of butt.
Alright.
3, 2, 1. Nice cat ears. So many lights. And a tall roof. How old is this building, do you know?
Yeah, it's about 200 or 300 years.
Damn.
This is before
Are you sure?
the rich. Yeah, this is before the rich. The famous old Chinese people to living.
Famous.
Yeah, it's a famous and rich.
Damn.
Let's take a photo.
Go.
Yeah, go down now.
This is like going up into a loft. Do you know a loft?
Yeah.
We have loads of lofts in the UK. It's at the top of somebody's house. Alright, you take it.
Now you're gonna go down.
Put it that way.
What way?
That way. That's it.
This way?
Oh god. This is exactly how I go down a loft.
Oh look!
What?
Your feet come down.
Oh shit. We need to get another one.
I don't think so.
But it's so far down. It's 3 stories, right? 3 stories, this place.
Give you.
What is this? It's just string.
Yeah.
Feels like string. So is this supposed to be the light that cats see?
Yeah.
Damn. It's a good idea though, isn't it? Because people love cats and dogs. But this is just for cats, right, this place? So is this like a cat scratch board?
Yeah.
Damn.
This is how you become a cat.
Feels so weird.
Maybe Snowbell is thinking.
Snowbell the cat. Our cat. Little Snowbell. Damn, so this is a shape of a cat, right? All of this is a cat.
I think you can put the video, the first page, put my photo, maybe you are also
I think so.
Yeah. Young lady. why your clothes have young lady? This one.
You are a young lady. Not me. So these are cats, right? Huh. This is like vintage. Do you want to wear this dress? Huh? You want to try it? Wait, stand next to it. Let's see how you might look if you wear it.
Here have a show.
No, you stand here next to it. Let's see. What do you think?
Here have a show.
What show?
Just a show. Here is the show place.
Yeah, like this is art and stuff, right?
The show.
Yeah, we have different kinds of art.
Here is the actor. Different actors.
Are these all Chinese actors and
Yeah.
actresses?
Yeah.
Do you know any of them?
No. Let's go down.
So not famous people, not famous actresses. So this is floor number 1.
Yeah, I want to take photos.
What are these? Do we have to try and get the balls out?
Yeah, I want to put out
This should be easy, right? To try and get the ball out. Huh?
No, this is to play.
What do you mean? Why do they have holes then? If it's not to try and get the ball out.
The cats love to put the...
Oh, I see. Yeah. Huh. So this is like the play. What cats do to play, right? So these are the filters.
You don't need to say
that
that.
Chinese girls use sometimes. You're spilling all the secrets now, right?
Let's go. Oh, here. Toilet.
Damn. So this is a giant litter tray, right?
Oh, take a photo for me.
Wait. Oh my god, so imagine this. If this is the size of the shovel, imagine the size of the shit. Look at this, this is massive. Do you want a photo? You want a photo with this?
Yeah. Later you can have...
Wait, you hold this. This could be the video thumbnail right here. This could be the thumbnail.
How do you put this?
That's it, yeah. Perfect. Down. Down. Alright, take a photo. Give me your phone. So this looks like candy, right? You think? Ready, 3, 2, 1, and go! Shit. So now we have these are fur balls, right? They look like planets. We have cotton. So this is where the cat plays. So we have the shitting area over there, and then we come to the play area over here. quite comfy. So we've got these little balls after we left. Let's see what's inside. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You can't even open it. Fuck.
Fuck you.
Well, that isn't a good start, is it? Let's see. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
You get a mask, face mask, and
Ooh.
let's see. Penguin. This is like a solid penguin made of, like, is it plastic?
But you can put this outside.
Oh yeah. And a little cat, of course. And there we are. Is it a bobblehead?
Yeah. You can put
Does the head bobble up and down? Like this. Alright, let's put it back in. This is a famous Chinese writer. What, he still lives here?
No, he's died.
Many years ago.
In maybe 100 years before or 80 years before.
Just saying that when we come down here, we feel like this is another country. This doesn't feel like China at all. You know, because of the buildings.
Yeah, because German people are coming here.
Yeah, like these old style ones. Do you want a drawing? Maybe another time. Huh?
You know, maybe 100.
Yeah.
Oh, today is closed. Otherwise, you can go in. You can go into the house.
Former residents of Laoshi,
Yes.
number 12, Huangxian Road, Qingdao Municipal Government.
This time born.
So he was alive for about 67 years. So just to show you how unique the coffee shops can be and the little restaurants around here, look at this place here. This is a giraffe coffee. And why is it called giraffe coffee? Because it looks like a giraffe neck. Little witch with a cat. So different. So tell me, what are you eating?
I don't know.
What is it? Scorpion. Scorpions. Go on then.
So good.
I cannot do it. Baby chicks.
15 折，拿上这。
15 for 2.